Alright, we're just riding around. Oh, let me make sure this is on. It is. Got a little bit of water to cross. Nothing the XR can't handle. Oh, I have a question for the viewers. Would love to chime in. Don't get my feet wet. Oh man, I love that. I love that. Since I changed out that carburetor and tuned it, man, the low end torque is so much better. I'm still on a stock head. Still going back and forth if I want a big board or not. Been kind of talking to people a little bit more about pros and cons of big boring. But so the question got sidetracked. The question that we are proposing is, how many times do you run out of gas on the XR? Man, I cannot tell you how many times I've had to put it on a reserve. And sorry, I'm kind of swerving. The gravel's really thick and loose, so it's kind of like driving in sand. But I want to know how many times y'all have had to put the old bike on reserve. Because man, I swear, as of lately, I feel like almost every time I get out and go ride, I end up losing track of time, losing track of mileage, and end up running out of gas. I've never been stranded, don't get me wrong. I've never been to where I've had to like full on push my bike, but I've had to hit that reserve switch a good couple times while I've been driving. Let's save this camera up. Gonna turn it off real quick. No, I don't want to waste my battery, because I only have one on that one. But yeah, I've never not been able to make it to a gas station, but it's been a good 5 to 6 times where that reserve has come in clutch. Like, I'm just rolling down the road full throttle, man, just ripping, and then brrr, the bike's dying. You have to hurry up, reach down, hit that reserve on, and get to a gas station ASAP. Let me know if you've ever done that, because I'm really curious. Oh my lord, a pothole from, wow, that thing was at least 6 inches deep. Let me know if y'all have ever been there, and like how often you've been there. It seems like it's getting more and more often. When I first got the bike, I was really I'm not gonna say petrified, because I've had bikes before that didn't have gas gauges. I mean, my dirt bike doesn't have a gas gauge, it doesn't even have an odometer. So, but I was kind of on the ease, because it's been probably 6-7 years since I had a bike that didn't have a gas gauge. So it was like I was kind of, trying to make sure, and I guess now I'm more relaxed. It's becoming a bigger ordeal of me driving around and running out of gas. Now when I'm out here, I'm a good ways away from a gas station. Like, having to hit reserve out here would not be a good thing. Like, I will probably even on reserve not make it to a gas station. But, I mean, I know whenever I come out here, I'm not monkeying around, It's just like if I'm putting around town and like, if I gotta hit the reserve, there's a gas station within like 5 miles. Out here, there's probably not another gas station for another 30 miles. But it's just been on my mind, and like every time it just, I'm like, you did it again? Come on. Why would you do that again? And I do it over and over again. So I don't know, like and sub, food for thought. You always check your gas. Stay safe out there, man. It feels like drivers are getting worse and worse and worse. I just keep seeing bikers complaining about car drivers. Man, it's up to you to save yourself. No one's gonna save you from dying. Cars don't care about other cars. They are for sure not gonna care about hitting you when you're just gonna be a little dent in their bumper, but you'll be dead. Public service announcement. Alright? Public service announcement. Like and sub. The XR, the go-kart, the e-dirt bike, the dirt bike. Got it all, man. Show me some support. I'm trying here. Got the cameras, getting mic'd up. Love y'all.